What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins from MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1957 Chevrolet CK10 pickup truck. This thing is a really presentable cruiser. 350 engine, nothing special. Sounds like it's got a nice cam in it. 4-barrel intake, AC, dual exhaust. Power disc brakes in the front. Interior's done up real nice. Bench seat, billet steering wheel, horn works, Autometer gauges, vents. Real simple, but really nicely done. Tilt column. It's got a bed cover. The bed is really nice. And you could hear this thing sounds great. Aluminum radiator. Just a really nice cruiser. And it drives beautifully. Close that hood and look at the beauty of this thing. Just take a look at it. Look at that. Paint shines great. Chrome wheels. It sounds great. This truck is perfect if you want something to go cruise in and you like these old trucks. They're real cool. You don't come by them as much anymore. It's a really cool truck. This truck is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars. You can visit our website, mgmclassiccars.com, for photos of this and all of our other cars. Our phone number is 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. We offer special financing for our classic cars and shipping all over the United States. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and stay tuned on the website because we get inventory in almost daily. And you are not going to want to miss a thing, that's for sure. It's been a pleasure showing you this 1957 Chevy pickup. Hope everyone has a great day. And I hope to see you here at MGM Classic Cars, picking out your dream car. Because these cars and this truck looks real nice here, will look a whole lot better in your garage. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.